Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. The ingredients you'll need are glue, container, I got this, something to mix with, and some warm water, and some borax. So, I've been hearing over the past years that people getting first degree burns, second degree burns, and third degree burns. So I'm just not gonna go in with my hands right away, but I'm just gonna go in with my hands at some point. So first step with me is I have to pour the borax in the water. Pour it in here. Just like measure it with you to see how good it is. I'm just pouring in not that much. Some. There. I think that's enough. I'm going to put this up. We've had the borax for a long time, but we never knew what to do with it because we just put glue and then we put borax and then we put water, but it didn't work. Sorry about that. And then we put borax and warm water and then it started working. So mix it until it's dissolved. Okay, so I mixed mine until it was dissolved. I'm using this measuring cup because you need 1 cup of warm water. So the first step is for you guys is to grab your Elmer's glue. I got a big kind, not a small kind. And then you're going to dump it in the bottle. So I'm using this whole bottle of glue. I made this big gigantic slime, but my sister started adding, oh, and also you can use shaving cream. And you could use, wait, I'm gonna go get the rest of the ingredients. 2 more ingredients are shaving foam, which I have in here, and what's it called? Food coloring, which I have out there. So I'm gonna go get that and come right back. So I got the next ingredients. So next you're gonna have some shaving foam. There, that's enough. I'm gonna be pausing it right here where I can mix it up and then show you guys. So I'm done mixing it. It should look like that. It's like a thick consistency kind of. It's still glue, but it has shaving foam in it. Next, I'm going to add my food coloring. I'm going to be adding pink. So let me grab my pink out of here. Not my pink. So I'm going to be adding 3 drops of pink. So I'm going to show you right here. Okay, I'm going to be showing it. Kind of, sort of, maybe. Oh yeah, right here. Wait, first I'm going to put this down real quick. Oh, wait. If I put it here, you can see it. Voila. Yeah. So I'm gonna put 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops of pink. Yep. 3 drops of pink, and then I mix it up. I like pink. That's why I'm picking it. And then I'm gonna stir it all up. See how it's turning pink? In a minute I'm gonna add more. You could add however much, whatever you want. What color? Oh, and I'm gonna be selling slime with my friend. I said it on my last video. And yeah. Okay, after this one, we're gonna add the borax after this. So I'm gonna be right back while I'm done mixing it. Bye. Okay, so I'm done. This is what it looks like. So next, I'm gonna add the borax water. The borax water I have here. So let's add some. You can see it coming together. Kind of. I don't want to get the borax water. Not the food coloring on my hands, so I'll be right back. So I'm still mixing it. I just had an interruption again. Sorry, because I'm having a birthday party, and let me see. In about a couple of minutes, because it starts out. I forgot. But I'm gonna make slime, and we're gonna get him a birthday present. Well, it's not his birthday today. It passed, but he wants to have a birthday party today, so we're gonna give him a birthday party. You're gonna add it. Keep adding borax water until it's this consistency. I can't say it. The consistency you would like. So, see, it's coming together. Let me touch it. It's still kind of. So I'm gonna get a tissue. Put it right there. So I'm gonna keep mixing. Look, do you see it coming together? I'm gonna show you guys. So it's getting really thick. So I'm gonna keep trying to mix it. Okay, so it's not ready. It's not ready yet, so I'm gonna keep getting some tissue and keep adding some borax water. We got 1 cup because people say that you're supposed to get about 1 and 1/2 cup, but I'm getting one because I'm not using like a gallon. Okay, so I'm gonna start kneading it with my fingers after I'm done. This one's gonna be fluffy slime. I'm trying to get this off the marker. So satisfying. Okay, so I'm gonna reveal it after I'm done getting all this mixed up. So after I'm done kneading it, actually. So let's get on. So it's done, but I'm gonna try to scrape off all this on the side. So I'll see you when it's done. Also, after I'm still trying to finish this, I'm gonna be going on to the table out there, and then I'm gonna be showing you guys it. So I'm gonna still do it. Bye. Well, right now. So I'm gonna put the pink fluffy slime right here. Make sure it's all clean. So this is it. Pink fluffy slime. So if you want to make this slime, comment down below if it's good. this slime recipe. And like, subscribe to this video. Oh, and also, I'm going to be telling you a recipe right now. If you want to do it with this slime or any other slime. So, you can buy clay. I'm going to do that. And you can make butter slime out of this. Like, you could do like what they do. So, what I did is it kept on being sticky. So it stuck to your hand like this.